Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1A. So already last class we started the introduction of matrices. Okay now again one time repeating. Okay now see here, what is the basic definition of the matrix, sir? The real numbers or complex numbers are arranged in the form of horizontal and vertical lines. Okay now here real numbers are complex numbers. Real numbers are denoted by capital R. Complex are denoted by C. Real numbers are complex numbers are arranged in the form of which ones are horizontal and vertical lines. Otherwise are horizontal line or vertical line. Okay now. Here we can apply both horizontal and vertical. Otherwise horizontal or vertical. So then this arrangement is called which ones are matrix. Suppose your example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. These are the elements are there. This real numbers we are arranging the horizontal and vertical form like this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otherwise here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are horizontal line is there and vertical line is there. Otherwise we can write like this one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also matrix. Here this is also matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also matrix. See here. Okay now. So the real numbers are complex numbers are arranged in which ones are horizontal and vertical lines. Otherwise horizontal and vertical both are. Okay now. So then this arrangement is called which ones are matrix. So matrices are denoted by the symbols like this one or this one. Okay now. So see here. These all are which ones are matrices. Generally matrices are denoted by the capital letters of capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. Already last class we discussed order of the matrix sum. Yes or no? Last class we discussed which ones are order of the matrix. Sir, what is the order of the matrix? Okay now. Order is nothing but number of rows into number of columns sum. Order of the matrix is nothing but which one, sir? Number of rows into number of columns. That is the order of the matrix. See here, in this matrix here, how many rows are there? 2 rows. This is the first row, this is the second row. That's why 2 rows. How many columns are there? 1, 4 is the one column, 2, 5 is the second column, 3, 6 is the third column. That's why. What is the order of A, sir? 2 by 3. Okay now. Here, what is the order of B? How many rows are there? 3 rows. 1, 2 is the one row, 3, 4 is the another row, 5, 6 is the third row. 3 rows are there. How many columns are there? 1, 3, 5 is the column. 2, 4, 6 is also column. That's why 3 cross 2. This is the 2 cross 3 matrix. This is the 3 cross 2 matrix. Both matrices are not equal, but elements are equal, but matrices are not equal. Okay, now this is the 2 by 3 matrix. This is the 3 by 2 matrix. What is the definition of the order of the matrix, sir? Number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns. See here, what is the order of C, sir? How many rows are there? Only one row is there. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. That's why here we are writing 1 cross 6. There is only one row is there. 6 columns are there. That's why 1 cross 6. In the matrix D, how many rows are there, sir? 6 rows are there. How many columns are there? Only one column. That's why. What is the order of D, sir? 6 cross 1. Okay now? 6 cross 1. 6 rows are there. One column is there. That's why this order is 6 cross 1. Order or size both are same. This is the 2 by 3 matrix. This is the 3 by 2 matrix. This is the 1 by 6 matrix. This is the 6 cross 1 matrix. Okay now? So next we are discussing types of matrices. Okay na? See here. Now we are discussing about the types of matrices. So types of matrices. First one is square matrix. First one is which one, sir? Square matrix. Okay now? Square matrix means a matrix capital A is said to be a square matrix if the number of rows in capital A is equal to the number of columns of capital AM. Suppose capital A is any matrix. A matrix capital A is said to be a square matrix. If number of rows of capital A is equal to number of columns of capital AM. Number of columns of capital A. What is the condition, sir? Number of rows of capital A is equal to number of columns of capital AM. So here, suppose we are taking example. What is the condition, sir? Number of rows equal to number of columns. Here A is equal to, we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay now? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows are there, sir, in this matrix? 2 rows are there. How many columns are there? 2 columns. Here 2 rows are there, 2 columns. In this matrix, capital A is equal to number of rows is equal to number of columns. That's why this is the which matrix, sir? Square matrix. Otherwise, here we are writing here B equal to like this one: 1, 5, 7, 2, minus 5, 3, minus 8, 6, minus 7. Okay now? Here observe this one. How many rows are there in this matrix, sir? 3 rows. 1, 5, 7 is the one row. 2, minus 5 is the second row. Minus 8, 6, 7 is the third row. Minus 7 is the third row. How many columns are there? 3 columns are there. Okay now? Number of rows into number of columns. 3 rows are there. 3 columns are there. Okay now? That's why this is also which matrix, sir? Square matrix. This is the 2 by 2 square matrix. Here suppose we are writing C is equal to only single element 6. Any one, not only 6. Here we are writing 10. So see here, there is how many elements are there? Only one element. That is element is 10. Okay now? So there are how many rows are there, sir? 1 row. How many columns are there? 1 column. Here this is also single element. C is also which matrix? Square matrix. But this is the, what is the order of this matrix, sir? 1 cross 1. Okay now? Here we have one note is there. Note. Okay now? All are listen carefully. So an n cross n square matrix. And n cross n square matrix is called a square matrix. Square matrix is called a square matrix of type n. Is called a square matrix of which one, sir? Type n. Here observe this is the 2 by 2 matrix. That's why this is the square matrix of which one, sir? Type 2. This is the square matrix of type 3. This is the square matrix of type 1. Okay now? So this is about which one, sir? Square matrix. Okay now? So next we are discussing which one, sir? Rectangular matrix, sir. Next we are discussing. So next rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Okay now? See the definition of the rectangular matrix. A matrix capital A is said to be rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Okay now? If the number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. Okay now? If number of rows not equal to number of columns. Okay now? Number of columns of capital AM. The number of rows of capital A is not equal to the number of columns of capital A. then this matrix is called which one, sir? A rectangular matrix. A matrix capital A is said to be a rectangular matrix if number of rows not equal to the number of columns of AM. Here we are taking the example. Okay, now here we are taking the example. A is equal like this one. Here 1, 5, 7, 2, minus 6, minus 8 is there. Suppose this is the matrix AM. Okay, now what is the order of A, sir? How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns are there? 3 columns. That's why this order is 2 cross 3 M. Number of rows into number of columns. There are 2 rows are there, 3 columns are there. That's why what is the order of A? 2 by 3. Okay, now here we are taking the another matrix. B is equal like this one. 1, 7, 3, 5, 2, minus 8. Okay, now here observe this one. What is the order of B, sir? Order of B. Number of rows, how many are there, sir? 3 rows are there. Number of columns, how many are there? 2 columns. So here 3 rows are there, 2 columns are there. That's why this is the 3 by 2 matrix sum. Here observe this one. Clearly in these 2 matrices, number of rows not equal to the number of columns. Okay, now here number of rows not equal to the number of columns. Number of rows not equal to number of columns. Okay, now so this is called which one, sir? Rectangular matrix. Okay, now so all of write this one. See the next third one. Row matrix sum. Row matrix. Row matrix means a matrix capital A is said to be the row matrix. A matrix, otherwise a matrix in which only one row. Okay, now so a matrix capital A is said to be a matrix capital A is said to be row matrix. Okay, now if capital A contains only one row. Okay, now otherwise a matrix in which only one row is there, then the matrix is called which one, sir? Row matrix. Or here we are writing, so a matrix in which only one row, then the matrix is called row matrix. The matrix is called which one, sir? Row matrix. Suppose we are taking the example. Here A is equal to 1, 2. Here how many rows are there, sir? Only one row, 2 columns are there. That's why this is the 1 cross 2. Here B is equal to, we are writing 5 minus 8 to 10. 5 minus 8, 10. In this matrix, how many rows are there? Only one row. Columns, how many are there, sir? 3 columns are there. 1 cross 3. Here C is equal to, here 5, not only 5, you should not start any number. So minus 10, minus 5, minus 6, here plus 12, like this one. Okay, now C is equal to, how many rows are there? Only one row is there. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. That's why this is the order is which one, sir? 1 cross 4. Okay, now what is the definition, sir? A matrix in which only one row, then the matrix is called which one, sir? Row matrix. Next one, column matrix sum. Column matrix. Column matrix. Okay, now so a matrix in which only one column, a matrix in which only one column, then the matrix is called column matrix sum. Okay. See here, what is the column matrix definition, sir? A matrix in which only one column, then the matrix is called which one, sir? Column matrix. Example, see here. Here we are writing 1, 2, 5. There are how many rows are there, sir? 3 rows are there. But how many columns are there? Only one column. This is the order is 3 cross 1. Here B is equal to, like this one we are writing 10 minus 15 minus 16 minus 14. So otherwise 14. Okay now. Here what is the order of B? How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there. How many columns are there? Only one column. That's why this is the 4 cross 1. Okay now. 4 cross 1. Here C is equal to, we are writing like this one, minus 15, 20 is there. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns are there? 1 column. That's why this is the 2 rows are there, 1 column. So in this all the matrix contains only 1 column. So what is the column matrix definition, sir? A matrix in which only 1 column, then the matrix is called which one, sir? Column matrix. Only 1 column is there. Okay, now here also 1 column. Here also 1 column. Then these matrices are called which one, sir? Column matrices. Okay, now all of read this one. Next, see the definition. Null matrix. Here null matrix or zero matrix, both are same. Null matrix or zero matrix. Okay, now see here. The definition of the null matrix or zero matrix. A matrix capital A is said to be a zero matrix or null matrix if every element of capital A is which one, sir? Capital A is equal to 0. Okay, now. So see here, null matrix or zero matrix. See here. So a matrix capital A is said to be a matrix capital A is said to be null matrix or zero matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix if every element of capital A is 0. If every element of capital A is which one, sir? 0. Okay now. So a matrix capital A is said to be null matrix or zero matrix if every element of capital A is which one, sir? 0. Okay now. Here we are writing example. So 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the null matrix of which order, sir? 2 by 2. Okay now. Right like this one. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is also which one, sir? Null matrix of which one, sir? How many rows are there? 3 rows. How many columns are there? 2 columns. That's why see the null matrix of which one, sir? 3 by 2. 3 rows are there. 2 columns are there. Okay now. So here like this one we are writing 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Suppose there is 1 is there. This is not the null matrix. Must and should each and every element in the matrix is 0. There is 1 element is there. That's why this is not the null matrix. Here also we are writing this is the null matrix. What is the order of this one, sir? 2 rows are there, 3 columns are there. This is the 2 by 3. Here null matrix are denoted by O. O of which one, sir? M cross N. This is the 2 by 2 null matrix. This is the 3 by 2 null matrix. This is the 2 by 3 null matrix. Okay now. Null matrix is denoted by O of M cross N. Okay now. M is nothing but rows, N is nothing but columns. Okay now. So all of you write on this one. See the next one. Principal diagonal elements. Which one next? Which one, sir? Principal diagonal elements. Suppose here, if capital A is any square matrix, capital A is any square matrix. The first element of the first row, second element of the second row, third element of the third row, last element of the last row is called the principal diagonal elements of capital M. Okay na? Again repeating. If capital A is a square matrix, then the diagonal elements of capital A is the first element of the first row, second element of the second row to the last element of the last row is called the principal diagonal elements of AM. Okay na? See here, observe this one. First we are writing the definition. Okay na? If capital A is any square matrix, if capital A is any square matrix, okay na? So then the first element of the first row, comma, second element of the second row, to the last element of the last row, second element of the second row to the last element of the last row, okay na, is called the principal diagonal elements. Of which ones are capital AM. These are the principal diagonal elements of capital A. Suppose here example, master student, what is the condition, sir? If capital A is any square matrix sum, okay na? Here we are writing A is equal to 5, 6, 7 minus 4 is there. Okay na? Here this is the square matrix. Which are the square matrix, sir? 2 by 2 square matrix. Okay na? First element of the first row, second element of the second row. Here 5 comma minus 4 are the diagonal elements of capital M. Here we are writing 5 comma minus 4 are diagonal elements. Suppose we are taking a B is equal to 1, 5, 7, 2 minus 7, 2 minus 8, 4, 3 minus 6, 10. Okay now? Here, this is also 3 by 3 matrix sum. 3 rows are there, 3 columns are there. Here, what is the condition? First element of the first row. Here, not only each and every element, you are not getting one. First element of the first row, second element of the second row, third element of the third row. If there is 4 by 4 matrix is there, fourth element of the fourth row. That elements are called which ones are principal diagonal elements. Okay now? Here 1 comma minus 8 comma 10 are diagonal elements are principal diagonal elements. Both are same. Okay na? Principal diagonal elements are diagonal elements. Both are same. What is the condition, sir? The first element of the first row, second element of the second row, third element of the third row to the last element of the last row is called the principal diagonal elements. Okay now? All of you first write down this one. See the next one. Trace of the matrix. Trace of the matrix. What is the trace of the matrix, sir? See here. So trace means if capital A is a square matrix, then the sum of the elements in the principal diagonal of capital A. Again repeating, if capital A is any square matrix, then the sum of the principal diagonal elements of capital A is called the trace of the matrix. Master student, what is the condition, sir? If capital A is any square matrix, then I am writing the definition. If capital A is any square matrix, capital A is any square matrix, then the sum of the principal diagonal elements, then the sum of the principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements of capital A is called the sum of the principal diagonal elements of capital A is called the trace of the matrix. Trace of the matrix. Okay, now see here again repeating. If capital A is any square matrix, then the sum of the principal diagonal elements of capital A is called the actual sir trace of the matrix. Okay, now here example we are writing A is equal to here 5 6 7 8 9 1 3 2 minus 5 is there here like this one. This is first, this is the square matrix sum. What is the order of this matrix, sir? 3 cross 3. That's all. Clearly this is the square matrix. Okay, now see this one. Clearly this is which matrix, sir? Square matrix. Yes or no? This is the square matrix. The sum of the principal diagonal elements of a square matrix. What is the principal diagonal element, sir? The first element of the first row, second element of the second row, and the last element of the last row. First element of the first row, second element of the second row, last element of the last row. These are called the principal diagonal elements. The trace of the matrix means sum of the principal diagonal elements. Trace of A, sum of the principal diagonal elements. 5 plus 9 plus which one, sir? Minus 5. That is nothing but 5 plus 9 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 cancel. Trace of A. What is the trace of A, sir? Trace of A is 9. Okay, now. So trace of the matrix is denoted by TRA of AM. That is equal to 9. Trace of the matrix is denoted by TRA of A. Trace of A is equal to how much, sir? 9. What is the definition? This is important for very short question. The sum of the principal diagonal elements of a square matrix is called the which one, sir? Trace of the matrix. Okay, now. So otherwise, suppose we are taking like this one. Capital A is the one square matrix here. A11, A12, A13. Okay, now. A11, A12, A13. Here A21, A22, A23. Here A31, A32, A33. This is the principal. Here principal diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33. A11, A22, A33 are the principal diagonal elements. The sum of the principal diagonal elements is called, sir, trace of the matrix. Here trace of A, TRA of A is nothing but A11 plus A22 plus A33. Like this one. The sum of the principal diagonal elements is called which one, sir? Trace of the matrix. All of you write on this one.